Merry Christmas! Yay!
Dance, 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 rain, rain, dance, dance, sorry.
Yay! Oh, you sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3, go! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
How about Rain? How about Rain? Tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Pauwi na tayo sa flight natin.
Talaga? Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa Crown Plaza sa Adelaide.
Sa Crown Plaza, Adelaide?
Teka, drive lang pala yun.
Ay, ayos. Hi, Rain Rain. So, this is the view at the check-in lobby. Hi, Daddy.
Mountain.
There's a
Mountain.
Mountain.
Yes.
Ito na pala. Parang itim na to.
Ay na. Look. Go inside. Isang bukas na siya. Rain, you have your own bed.
Have your own bed.
Wow. You have your own bed, Rain Rain. Hi, guys. Oh, you say hi, guys na. Hi,
Hi
guys.
guys.
Where are you?
Where's Rain Rain?
Ayun. Oh, say hi, guys. Busy na siyang magkalikot. Rain Rain, not that one. Yan, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Crown Plaza. At ito, ang ating view. Tadan! Ayan. Oh, kitang-kita natin ang... Ay, ang ganda! Look at that. This is what I like. Hindi ko malalaglag ako.
Yoy.
Yes, light. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Ha? View ang Pambato. Kaya. So, andito kami ngayon sa Crown Plaza, Adelaide. So, kabubukas lang niya last month, November 12. Hindi namin naabutan yung, yung voucher sale nila, yung Great State voucher sale nila. Pero, nung nag-open sila, nagbigay sila ng 50% off, Daddy.
Wow,
Daddy, 50% per
50%.
50% off na discount, syempre. Take advantage natin yan para ma-experience natin. So, 5-star hotel din daw po itong Crown Plaza, Adelaide. So, tingnan natin. So, itutour ko kayo ngayon dito sa Crown Plaza, Adelaide. Rain Rain, dapat ikaw nagtutour. What's that, Rain Rain?
What's that, Rain Rain?
What's that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I told you.
Oh, you turn on the lights. Can you say hi?
Bye.
Bye. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Who are you? Who's this? Who's this? Rain. Are you Elsa?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
I'm an Asha.
Oh, you are Elsa. Can you sing Let It Go for them? Come here. You sing Let It Go. You sing Let It Go. Go.
Red down, red down, red side, red down, red down,
Tapos may salamin.
red shadow. He was red, he was in a shoe. Da, topale.
Yay! Good job! So, ayan. Anong nakuha nating room, Daddy? Wait, what room is this? So, twin deluxe room with the view. So, ito ang Pambato ng Crown Plaza. Ang napaka magandang view. Makikita nyo ang buong South Australia. Ang kabundukan ng South Australia. May table doon. So, pagka-open, nakita nyo kanina sa video. Tadaan, kita nyo na agad ang bed. And then, let's check the cabinet. So, ito yung... anong tawag sa ganito, Daddy? So, ito yan. Meron coffee machine.
Shower.
My free coffee.
Shower.
Yes, that's the shower. My mini fridge. Yes, that's the shower. And this is the toilet. Very simple. Ito na yung ano nila, hand and body wash at saka body lotion. Naka-attach na siya doon.
Hindi siya apples.
Akala ko apples din. Hi! So, ayan. So, simple, lang siya, shower room. So, andito na yung mga toiletries. Nakakabit na siya sa, mismo sa room. So, hindi siya pwedeng iuwi. Ganon. Oh, no! Wala tayong may iuwing, toiletries.
Oh, no!
Tapos, andito yung mga towel. So, yun lang. Hindi mauwi. Parang, nila, toiletries nila. Nandito na siya naka-attach.
May uwi ka pa din.
Asan?
Ito.
Ayan, may safe din. Sorry, baby. Tamaan siya ng bag ko.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, baby.
So, andun yung safe. So, simple lang.
It's
Maliit
okay.
yung cabinet, no? Walang hangiran.
Pero sakto yung siya. Lagay na ito talaga.
Oh, yung luggage. Ay, dito siguro yung pinaka, di ilalagay yung hanger. Ay, i-slide.
Mami, soft close.
Oh, wow. Ayun ang ating, sleeper. May iron din. So, same din yung style sa Mayfair. So, ayan. So, yung habol namin dito, kaya kami nandito sa Crown Plaza. Ito ay hotel and resort. So, mamaya, magsiswimming kami.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Tickle sass.
Yes, oh my goodness. Oh.
They're so small.
They is so small, so big.
And you're so
Oh, you're
big.
so big. And you're so small.
So small. He's so big.
Because we're high up.
That's so up. So people.
So many people.
So many people.
So many cars.
So cars. So people.
What are
Down.
up and down?
How?
You remove your shoe so you can jump on the bed. Rain is jumping on the bed.
Yay! Is that your bed?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Rain, what you doing?
Obey the shoes.
Wow, you're wearing your shoes. Wow, good job. Wow, very good. You know how to wear your shoes already? Wow. Good job, love. Ah, you want me to wear my shoes as well? Where are we going? Ah, okay. This is mommy's. Okay. Where are we going? Where are we going? We're staying here. We're staying here. Yes, why do we need to wear shoes? Yeah, take it off. Good job, Rain.
Day? Ano na yung damit ko? Plancha na.
Plancha na po.
Ay, malilate na ako sa opisina niyan.
Pasensya na, sir. Kasi
Ayusin.
po, nalimutan ko kung saan makikita yung saksakan, sir.
Ano ba yan? Bagong tagal ka na. So, 10 taon ka na dito.
10 taon na ba?
Ay, ba't ka tumatawa?
Ang galing nga sa... Hindi pa rin tayo nahuhuli ni Ma'am.
Ay, naku. Kaya nga ganito ako makipag-usap
Happy
sa'yo.
anniversary!
Ay, naku.
What's that?
Baby.
Well, Christmas tree. Eating Christmas tree cookie. Very good. Ready na?
Rain.
Mag-swimming.
Yung bathrobe and dental hygiene
Ay, may
kit is
dental
upon
hygiene.
request.
Yon. Alright. See you on the pool. Let's go, Rain. Let's go na. Swimming ka na. Let's go. Say, let's go. Let's go, swimming. Oh, you're wearing a ballet dress?
bash.
Biglang nagkakakanta nung nakita yung sarili niya sa wala.
Baro bash.
Okay, papa.
Let's go, dalasin ko yung ano natin.
Ama, tumawin.
Ay, taray! Wow! Hi! Tuwa mag-swimming. Wow! Good job, Rain Rain. Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Aba. Show your mouth. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Close your mouth and close your
Wow!
Okay.
Oh no, Mami! Anong ginawa mo?
Badlaw na, Rain Rain. Shower, shower.
Wow! Hi!
Mommy, I made it goes blue.
Ano gusto mo, dumpling muna? Dumpling o tempura?
Tempura. Dumpling. Okay, here's the starter. What is this, Daddy? What did you order?
Pork and pineapple dumplings.
And Rain Rain's order already here as well. What did you order, Rain Rain? What did rice and chicken and broccoli? Yes, that's right.
Dumpling chicken with rice.
Good job. Oh, you showed them you're eating broccoli. Good job. Very good, Rain Rain. Yes. Good job.
Rain, you're too loud. Yeah, thank you.
Alam mo pagkain mo eh.
Hindi naman sa'yo yan, anak eh.
Sa'yo ba yan? Broccoli.
Marami, no? Tapos chips. Weird.
Weird combination.
Eastern and Western. Ano kayo sila? Baba? Excited? Whoa!
Maybe I'm afraid she cost it.
That's alright.
Hi. Watching Friends. With the view. With the makulit na bata. Ayaw daw niya ng Friends. Nagre-reklamo sa pinapanood namin. Ay, ganito.
Tinatawag ko kayong lahat! Tinatawag ko kayo. Ikaw naninigarilyo dyan. Tinatawag ko kayong lahat. Kaya tawag French fry.
Lasing ka ba, Daddy?
French fry tayo, guys. French fries.
Red card.
Good.
Good.
Hold on. Ito na. Take over. Take over, Rain.
Oh, Ama. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho.
The night before Christmas. Okay. On the night before Christmas, all over the house, no sound was heard except the snoring of the mouse. This is the first Good morning! Good morning, guys! Good morning! Woo!
Rain's food. Yeah.
What do you have? What's that?
Abba.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
That's waffle.
That's waffle.
Yeah.
Bring your tissues, and also act now, because it's actually only appearing in the
Ay, bye na. Check out na si Madam. Bye, Madam. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Very good.